development. What should be the message for Pakistan? What could be done to improve this in Pakistan? Over to you.
You get a message out of us for young people. पहले सवालों में भी
what is messaging? WhatsApp बोलेंगे message. They are not looking for messages from us. I think ये रास्ता ढूंढे. They want us to give away. Actually, they want us to get out of the way. And I say that in a very serious fashion. I think that is another way of looking at what human development is. It is not about giving a message. It is not about giving a package. This is the way to do things. It is not a holding of hands. जो आप खालिद साहब से पूछी about, I mean, I know there are my colleagues here who are diaspora. HTF gives meaning, an answer to that gift in a short area. So that is why it is a partnership in good ways. But the point I was saying about what it means, human development in that sense, I think in the Gulhak sense, in the Vestalian sense, is not the idea of I will supply to you health, I will supply to you education, I will supply to you livelihood. It is the idea that I will create the framework in which you can reach the opportunity, you can get the opportunities that you need, and that you can reach the potential that you already have. Right? So in a way, what human development does is it gives people rasta, it gives people the opportunity. The purpose of education is not that I will tell you how